11. Best heart-healthy foods backed by science for a healthy life. Looking to boost your heart health, increase your energy, and live a longer, healthier life? You don't need extreme diets or fancy supplements, just everyday, tasty foods that make a real difference. Stay with us, because we're diving into 11 scientifically backed heart-healthy foods that can help elevate your overall well-being. 1. Fatty fish. Fish, like salmon, mackerel, trout, and sardines, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, and support heart health. Aim to include fish in your meals a few times each week. 2. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Including them in your meals can help lower blood pressure and support heart health. 3. Avocados, creamy and nutritious, avocados are high in heart-friendly monounsaturated fats. They also provide potassium, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a smart addition to any heart-conscious diet. 4. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries aren't just tasty. They're full of fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins. These nutrients help combat inflammation and are associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. Keep your fridge stocked with them. 4. Legumes, beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent plant-based protein sources that also deliver fiber and key minerals. Adding legumes to your meals can help reduce cholesterol and benefit your heart. Try soups, stews, or salads. 6. Tomatoes, rich in lycopene, an antioxidant linked to heart health. Tomatoes are also good sources of vitamins C and E, potassium, and fiber. Add them to salads, sauces, or sandwiches for a heart-healthy boost. 7. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a great alternative to less healthy fats. It's full of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels, supporting overall heart health. Use it for cooking or dressings. 8. Whole grains. Trade in refined grains for whole options like oats, brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. Whole grains are rich in fiber and essential nutrients that help manage cholesterol levels and support heart function. 9. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, can benefit your heart when eaten in moderation. It contains flavonoids with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which may help reduce heart disease risk. 11. Grapes, especially red and purple varieties, are well known for their potential benefits to heart health. Grapes are rich in antioxidants and contain polyphenols, especially resveratrol, flavonoids, and quercetin. These compounds reduce oxidative stress, protect blood vessels, lower inflammation, and improved blood pressure. And potassium in grapes helps balance sodium levels and may contribute to lowering blood pressure. Final tip. Pairing these heart-friendly foods with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle can significantly improve your cardiovascular well-being. Try to include these 11 foods in your daily diet to support a strong, healthy heart. I appreciate you watching. Like, comment, share with those you care about, and subscribe for more evidence-based health content.